Tingling and numbness. Top vitamins to repair nerves. Ever had a feeling you couldn't quite explain? A strange sensation that comes and goes, hard to describe but impossible to ignore. At first, it's easy to brush aside, but over time, it lingers, making you wonder what's really happening. Could there be a simple way to make things feel right again? Number 1. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, thiamine, is essential for keeping nerves healthy and functioning properly. It helps protect nerve cells, supports the myelin sheath, which insulates nerves, and ensures smooth signal transmission. When levels are low, tingling, numbness, and nerve pain can occur. Thiamine works by reducing inflammation, improving energy production, and preventing further nerve damage. It's especially useful for those experiencing neuropathy due to diabetes, alcoholism, or deficiencies. You can get B1 from foods like pork, beef liver, whole grains, lentils, nuts, and fortified cereals. If food sources aren't enough, supplements, especially benfotiamine, a more absorbable form, can help. The recommended daily intake is around 1.1 to 1.2 milligrams, but for nerve issues, doses of 100 to 300 milligrams, or higher under medical supervision, may be beneficial. While it's generally safe, very high doses might cause stomach discomfort, dizziness, or allergic reactions. Pairing B1 with other nerve-supporting nutrients like B6, B12, magnesium, and alpha-lipoic acid can enhance results. Don't forget to stay hydrated, exercise, and eat a balanced diet. Number 2. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in nerve function, neurotransmitter production, and reducing inflammation, helping prevent tingling, numbness, and nerve damage. It supports the production of serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, which improve nerve signaling and muscle coordination. B6 also helps produce red blood cells, ensuring nerves get enough oxygen to function properly. Deficiency can lead to nerve pain, weakness, and irritability, while excessive intake may cause nerve toxicity and loss of coordination. The recommended daily intake is 1.3 to 2.0 milligrams, but for nerve repair, 10 to 50 milligrams daily may be beneficial, though anything over 100 milligrams in a day should be taken with caution. You can get B6 from chicken, turkey, salmon, potatoes, bananas, chickpeas, and fortified cereals. Pairing it with B12, magnesium, and omega-3s can further support nerve health. While generally safe, too much B6 can actually cause nerve issues, so balance is key. Staying active, eating well, and avoiding processed foods and alcohol can also help. If tingling persists, checking vitamin B6 levels may be the next step. Number 3. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 plays a vital role in keeping nerves healthy and preventing damage. It helps build and maintain the myelin sheath, the protective layer around nerves that ensures proper signal transmission. Without enough B12, nerves can become damaged, leading to tingling, numbness, weakness, and even long-term dysfunction. It also supports red blood cell production, ensuring oxygen reaches nerve tissues for repair. B12 is most effective when neuropathy is caused by a deficiency, and regular intake can help restore nerve function over time. You can get B12 from animal-based foods like beef, liver, fish, eggs, and dairy, or from fortified foods like cereals and plant-based milk. Supplements are also available, with methylcobalamin being the best for nerve repair. While B12 is generally safe, very high doses may cause mild side effects like headaches, dizziness, or nausea. For nerve health, doses between 500 to 5,000 micrograms daily are often recommended. Pairing B12 with B1, B6, magnesium, and alpha-lipoic acid can enhance nerve repair. Staying active, eating well, and avoiding alcohol also support recovery. Number 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in nerve health by reducing inflammation, promoting nerve repair, and supporting proper nerve function. It helps regulate calcium levels, which are essential for transmitting signals between nerves. A deficiency in vitamin D has been linked to tingling, numbness, nerve pain, and even muscle weakness. It works best when nerve issues stem from a deficiency, helping restore damaged nerves, protect the myelin sheath, and prevent further degeneration. You can get vitamin D naturally from sunlight, fatty fish, salmon, tuna, egg yolks, fortified dairy, and plant-based milk. If food and sunlight aren't enough, supplements, especially vitamin D3, can help. The recommended daily intake is 600 to 800 IU, but for nerve repair, higher doses of 2000 to 1500 IU may be needed. While generally safe, excessive intake can cause calcium buildup, kidney stones, nausea, and fatigue. Pairing vitamin D with B vitamins, magnesium, and omega-3s enhances nerve recovery. Staying active, hydrating, and eating a balanced diet are also key. If symptoms persist, checking vitamin D levels might be the next step. Number 5. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in nerve repair and protection. It helps prevent oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage nerves and lead to tingling, numbness, and weakness. This vitamin supports the myelin sheath, the protective layer around nerves, ensuring proper signal transmission. It also improves circulation, helping oxygen and nutrients reach nerve cells for faster healing. You can get vitamin E from foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, olive oil, and avocados, or through supplements. The recommended daily intake is 15 mg, 22.4 IU, but for nerve repair, doses between 200 to 400 IU daily may be beneficial. While generally safe, high doses above 1000 mg in a day can increase the risk of bleeding, stomach issues, dizziness, and headaches. Pairing vitamin E with B vitamins, omega-3s, and magnesium can further support nerve recovery. Staying active, eating a balanced diet, and avoiding processed foods can also help. If symptoms persist, checking vitamin E levels and adjusting intake might be the next best step for nerve health. Number 6. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that plays a major role in nerve repair and protection. It helps prevent oxidative stress and inflammation, two key factors that contribute to nerve damage, tingling, and numbness. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which helps maintain nerve structure and supports regeneration after damage. It also boosts immune function, reducing inflammation that can worsen nerve pain, and plays a role in neurotransmitter production, ensuring proper nerve communication. You can get vitamin C from oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, kale, tomatoes, and kiwi, or take supplements like ascorbic acid or liposomal vitamin C for better absorption. The daily recommended intake is 75 to 90 mg, but for nerve repair, doses of 500 to 2000 mg may be beneficial. While generally safe, excessive intake over 2000 mg in a day can lead to stomach upset, kidney stones, and nausea. Pairing vitamin C with B vitamins, magnesium, and omega-3s enhances nerve healing. Staying active, hydrated, and avoiding processed foods can also help. If symptoms persist, checking vitamin C levels may be a good next step. Number 7. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for nerve repair, reducing inflammation, and protecting nerve cells from damage. It helps maintain the myelin sheath, ensuring proper nerve signal transmission, and plays a role in cell regeneration, which is crucial for healing damaged nerves. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to nerve degeneration, tingling, numbness, and even vision problems. It's found in animal sources like beef liver, eggs, and fish, as well as plant-based sources like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. The daily recommended intake is 700 to 900 micrograms, 2,333 to 3,000 IU, but for nerve repair, doses up to 5,000 IU daily may be beneficial. While generally safe, excessive intake above 10,000 IU/day can lead to toxicity, dizziness, nausea, and liver damage. Pairing vitamin A with B vitamins, omega-3s, and magnesium can enhance nerve healing. Staying active, eating a balanced diet, and avoiding alcohol also help. If tingling or numbness persists, checking vitamin A levels and adjusting intake might be the next best step for optimal nerve health. Number 8. Vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in nerve function, circulation, and inflammation control, helping prevent tingling, numbness, and nerve damage. It supports the production of proteins that maintain nerve cell structure and protects the myelin sheath, the insulating layer around nerves. Vitamin K also regulates calcium levels, preventing harmful buildup that can damage nerves. It improves blood flow, ensuring nerves get enough oxygen and nutrients to function properly. You can get vitamin K from leafy greens, kale, spinach, broccoli, fermented foods, natto, sauerkraut, egg yolks, and dairy products. The daily recommended intake is 90 to 120 micrograms, but for nerve health, 100 to 200 micrograms of vitamin K2 may be more beneficial. While generally safe, high doses can interfere with blood thinners like warfarin. Pairing vitamin K with B vitamins, omega-3s, and magnesium enhances nerve healing. Staying active, eating a balanced diet, and avoiding excess alcohol also support nerve function. If tingling persists, adjusting vitamin K intake and improving circulation could be the next step toward better nerve health. Taking care of your nerves is essential for overall well-being, and the right vitamins can make a big difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay informed, stay healthy, and keep your nerves strong. See you next time.